Hi everyone, it's Carla and I'm back with another unboxing, this time from Artillery Philippines. So let's check out what they sent and maybe we can try out some of the items and make some art. So I'm very excited for this one. Thank you Artillery Philippines! Alright, let's unbox this package from Artillery Philippines. So Artillery Philippines is an online art shop that sells a lot of art materials, different kinds. I think they also have stuff for calligraphy and for those that want to get into like drawings and manga. So I'm super excited that when they always send me items. So here we go. Hi Fuji! Are you also excited for this unboxing? Let's see. Montmartre brushes for acrylic. So we have a fan brush, a flat brush, and I think 2 round brushes. So I think these are very useful. They're synthetic brushes, so perfect for acrylic or even gouache. And this one is a Fabriano cold press. 300 GSM, 20 pieces, and I can tell that this one is a pad that is completely bound, so when you paint on it, it won't warp that easily because it's all glued, and you have to use like a cutter to remove the paper that you painted on. Oh, this one is Viv Art. Okay, so I'm quite familiar with this one. I have 2 of the Viv Art watercolor pad. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I think this is the smoothest one, at least, because you can't even see the texture of the paper here. So I'm so excited to use this. Perfect again for gouache or if you want to do acrylic. This is a perfect paper for it. Your gouache or acrylic paint is just going to look super nice on it. And lastly, the main thing, holbein acrylic gouache, 15 tubes. And you know, I love holbein in general, the brand holbein watercolors, holbein acrylic gouache. So this one is like super duper wow. Let me just zoom in and settle down and let's unbox the holbein acrylic gouache. It's been a while since I filmed myself and actually did anything extensive for YouTube, so I still hope that you're there. And for everyone that's been watching my uploads, how little they are, thank you everybody. I'm still going to be pretty busy, lots of things going on in my personal life, but I hope that I'm still painting. I never stop, and I will not stop painting and creating, but I just haven't been like filming. But I think it's a great opportunity to once again get back to it. I still like doing it. I still like sharing. So that's it. I hope that I can still continue to do what I love. So thank you again for your support, and don't forget to like this video if you like its content, if you like more like a very casual filming, casual painting videos. So I'll try my best to work on that. So let's just enjoy creating and making art together, like always. All right, we are back. Let me just put aside these watercolor pads as well as the brushes, and we will unbox this. Hold on, taking a sip of some water. Remember to hydrate, guys. Can I do this? Can I just slip this? Slip it out. Oh, oops. Is this the front part? Okay, it's the front part. Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I love how solid it feels. It's also pretty big. It actually looks, hold on. It looks like my new watercolor case from Holbein. So I have this Holbein case that I just got. This is my new Holbein palette. that I had my friend buy when she was in Sekaido in Japan. So, and this is my first time to see their case for the acrylic gouache. So it's so lovely. It looks the same. And it says here, life for art, art for life. Wow. Isn't that like the motto of your life as an artist? So let's open this up. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. They have like a towel where you can, I guess, drain your brush or pat it dry. Oh, so you can use this for, I guess, swatching. Sadly, I cannot read them. So I guess I won't be using this because I cannot understand what I'm supposed to do. So let's put that aside. And there we go. This is what's inside the holbein acrylic gouache set, the 15 color school set. Oh, it's lovely. It is beautiful. I love how the white is in a much bigger tube because you're gonna use a lot of this. Also, it comes with brushes. Wow, it's a really complete set. I'm amazed. Oh, it's made in Japan. Everything is made in Japan. How lovely. Wow, look at the mixing palette. Look how big that is. That's beautiful. So, I guess what I'm gonna do is swatch this just for us to see. Do we want to swatch it or do we want to just get on and make something out of it? Let me take a moment and I'll get back to you on what we're gonna do, all right? I think I've decided that I want to play with the holbein acrylic gouache. So I'm so excited for it. I'll show you again. It's so just, I have no words. It's beautiful. I would love to get something like this for Christmas. And thank you again, Artillery Philippines, for this. Let's go play with it. Let's see how much I can get done until the sun sets because it is already somewhat in the afternoon. So let's just have fun with it. No pressure, guys. You can put me in the background if you're watching this or if you want to look at my process. It's quite messy and all that, but again, we're here to, as they said, what was the thing in the cover? We have life for art and art for life. And I will also be using, which is the Viv Art. I think this is the smooth watercolor paper. That's perfect for gouache.